Hello everyone, I am Trisha Vyas. Today I am here to discuss about Internet of Things. Internet of Things. It refers to the interconnections of physical devices such as appliances and vehicles that are embedded with software, sensors and connecting which enables these objects to connect and exchange data. This technology allows for the collection and sharing of data from a vast network of devices, creating opportunities for more efficient and automated systems. Definition: the Internet of Things (IoT) describes the network of physical objects, things that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data that other devices and system over the internet. Design of IoT. A physical design of an IoT system refers to the individual node devices and their protocols that are utilized to create a functional IoT system. Each node device can perform tasks such as remote sensing, actuating, monitoring, etc by relying on physical connected devices. It may also be capable of transmitting information through different types of wireless or wired connections. The things devices in the IoT system are used for building connection, data processing, providing storage, providing interfaces, providing graphical interfaces. This generated data and the data is used to perform analysis and to operations for improving the system. For instance, a moisture sensor is used to obtain the moisture data from a location and a system analysis it to give an output. IoT protocols. These protocols are used to establish communication between a node device and server over the internet. It helps to send commands and to an IoT device and receive the data from an IoT device to over the internet. Different types of protocols are used that are present on both the server and client side, and these protocols are managed by network layers like application, transport, network, and link layer. Application layer protocol. It helps to send commands to an IoT device and receive data from an IoT device over the internet. In this layer, protocols define how the data can be sent over the network with the lower layer protocols using the application interface. These protocols include HTTP, WebSocket, XMPP, MQTT, DDS, and AMQP protocols. Example: HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol is a protocol that presents in application layer for transmitting media documents. It is used to communicate between web browsers and servers. It makes a request to a server and then waits till it receives a response, and in between the request server does not keep any data between the two requests. Transport layer. This layer is used to control the flow of data segments and handle error control. Also, these layer protocols provide end to end message transfer capability. Example: TCP IP. The transmission protocol is a that defines how to establish and maintain a network that can exchange data in proper manner using the internet protocol. Network layer. This layer is used to send datagrams from the source network to the destination network, we use IPv4 and IPv6 protocols as host identification and transfers data in packets. Example IPv4. This is a protocol address that is a unique and numerical label assigned to each device connected to the network. An IP address performs two main functions: host and location addressing. IPv4 is an IP address that is a 32-bit long request and response model. This communication model is based on the client IoT device making requests and server responding to those requests. Upon receiving a request, the server decides that response to be, fetches the request data, preparing the response, and then sends it back to the client. The next one is publisher subscriber model. Publishers, brokers, and consumers are all involved in this communication model. Publishers are the sources of data that send to topics. The broker manages the topics, and the consumers consumes the data from topics, subscribe to the topics. Publishers and consumers are unaware of each other. Upon receiving data for a topic from the publisher, the broker forwards it to all subscribed consumers. As a result, brokers are responsible for receiving data from publishers and sending it to appropriate consumers. Thank you.